We'll look at two easy methods on Windows 11, using Task Manager and CPU-Z, and I'll also show you an example from my own desktop. Let's get started. Method 1. Task Manager. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to Performance. Then Memory. Look at Speed. Here in my desktop example, you'll see speed 3,200 megatransfers per second. Because 3,200 megatransfers per second matches my RAM's rated speed, that means XMP is enabled. If you saw something like 2,133 or 2,400 instead of 3,200 or 3,600, XMP is likely not enabled. Method 2. CPU-Z app. Install and open CPU-Z. Go to the Memory tab. Check DRAM frequency. Important: to get the effective speed, multiply DRAM frequency times 2. My desktop example in CPU-Z, DRAM frequency 1596 MHz. 1596 times 2 almost equals 3192 MHz, which rounds to 3200 MHz. That confirms XMP is enabled. If your numbers are lower than the rated speed, reboot into your BIOS or UEFI and enable XMP or DOCP or EXPO. Name depends on the motherboard. Save and reboot, then recheck with these two methods.